Today we are going to learn the opposite of words, like what is the opposite of above, what is the opposite of by, what is the opposite of brave. So let's begin. Firstly, what is the opposite of above? Yes, it is below. Yes, above, below. The next is begin. So it is gonna be end. Yes, end. Begin, end. The next is brave. Yes, brave, coward or cowardly. The next we see here is bright. Bright, the opposite is gonna be dull. The next is busy, and the opposite is gonna be free. The next is cheap. So the opposite is gonna be expensive. Expensive. Below and cowardly, dull, free, expensive. The next we see here is deep. So the opposite is shallow. Yes, shallow. The next is dry. So the opposite is wet. Opposite is wet. The next is enter. Enter. The opposite is exit. The next is forgot. Forgot. And remember. Remember. Forgot's opposite is remember. The next is give. Give. So the opposite is take. Take. The next word is grow. Grow. So the opposite is gonna be shrink. Shrink. The next is kind. Kind. So the opposite is cruel. Cruel. The next is laugh. Laugh. And the opposite is cry. Cry. We cry. So the next is left. It is the most easiest. Left, right. Right. The next is lose. Lose. And the opposite is win. The next is love. So the opposite is hate. We love someone or we hate someone. The next is push. Push. And the opposite is pull. And the next two are soft. Soft. And it is gonna be hard. The safe is left for comments, and you are gonna tell it. Bye for today.